Hey, what's up, everybody? We are in Stevens, Pennsylvania, and
You have 6 hours and
right at
16 minutes of remaining drive time.
60. I
Home.
drove about 60
Messaging.
miles this morning from Carlisle, Pennsylvania, over here to Stevens, Pennsylvania, and I just want to go on record as saying Pennsylvania is so far, by far, my least favorite place to get off the interstate. Stressful over here, man. Pretty sure when they built these roads, people were still riding around in horse and buggy, and probably like a 10-foot long buggy. Not pleasant. One lane bridges. Anyway, not my favorite place. I haven't been to New York City yet, but so far Pennsylvania is. I've driven in New York State, Connecticut, New Hampshire. Pennsylvania, man, just not my favorite place. But anyway, sitting, waiting to get unloaded. Still regretting taking this load. Even more so. It's all good though. Making it happen, I guess. Say we get about 120 miles out of this one, I guess. And then allegedly we're gonna go back and get the other load going to somewhere else in Pennsylvania. So we have that to look forward to yet today. So anyway, I said I wait. It's the name of the game. I'm hoping I can back in right there. They weren't sure where they were going to put me yet. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe when we get back and pick that other load back up. I didn't know we're gonna keep talking. Apparently, didn't get coffee this morning, so I was thinking, it's did I say what time it is? It's 4:58 in the morning. I got up at 2:30. I didn't get coffee because I was thinking, well, maybe I can go over there and go back to sleep, get a little nap in, which is still a possibility. I got at least, well, who knows? I was gonna say I should at least put it in the door first, then go to sleep. But who knows? I could sit here for an hour or two. Hopefully not. I don't think. He said the first shift was coming in 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm assuming that would be 5 a.m. So I'm assuming when first shift gets here, they would tell me where they want me to park. I haven't seen the other side of this building. I'm going to hope for door number 1, which is right here. I'm sure you can't see that, but anyway, We're hauling beef. There's beef on the truck. That's what we got at the moment. This is a 3-stop load. Apparently I'm only taking one. It came out of Kansas. And it's not going to give me the specific. Oh. Yeah. Take some steaks. Some form of steak. So that's what's up. So we will talk to you guys later. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm sitting here in Allentown, Pennsylvania. This is where I'm delivering to. I got here, once you get on site to the location, you got to go in and check in, if you will. Checked in with the guard, and then I checked in with the shipping and receiving office, and they gave me a door to back into. So I backed into this door, and I've been sitting here for 2.5 hours. Essentially, I probably got here 3 hours ago, but I've been sitting for 2.5 hours. So, what do we do? What do I do in times like this where you have downtime? It's just part of the job. This is just part of it. Well, let's see. Since I got here, I made a sandwich, so I had lunch. I've posted some stupid stuff on Facebook, so you want check that out. I took a nap. Slept for 30 minutes to an hour or something. I was looking at my stuff up on my phone. I fell asleep. I downloaded some graphics. I'm trying to get some stuff together to make a logo, Truck Life 365 logo. Any of you guys are Photoshop masters or graphic whatever, I don't even know what to call it, hit me up. I'm gonna try. I don't obviously I don't have Wi-Fi here where we're at. I need to try to get some. I don't know if I even have photo editing software on my computer, or I need some, but I don't really want to buy any, obviously, because I'm trying to do something super simple. I don't really know how to do what I'm trying to do, basically. So if anybody wants to help out, text me, email me, something. Yeah, I'm probably gonna play on my phone a little bit more, and then go to sleep and take a nap. I got up at 2 o'clock this morning, so I guess it's okay to be tired, right? I don't even know what time it is. It's 1:20 here. So anyway, when they get me unloaded, they'll call me. They'll give me a call and let me know they're done, and then I'll pull out and go get my bills that they signed. I'll put that information in the computer and then wait on my next load. Hopefully you'll get something picked up today. It'd be nice to get a couple hundred more miles in today. But yeah, that's about it. Nap time.